Curling it in. And is that the first goal the Cameroon defence found wanting? Curling it in, headed away by Raju Gaikwad, and a prompt shot, and it's into the net. It's 1-1. With his left foot, he can curl in an in-swinger, which he does to the far post. This is danger, and it's a goal. And he does. It's 2-2. So India back in the match, and he scores. Nicely placed in. Robin Singh keeps his nerve. Places it in to the corner of the net, an area where it's very difficult for a goalkeeper to stop. Now Cameroon's turn. So Clevis Ashutembe for Cameroon. What can he do? And he scores. 1-1. Very well taken penalty also. So both teams, it's a big relief to get the first penalty going. Sunil Chhetri, well, let's see Clevis's kick. High into the net, very confident. Now Sunil Chhetri, Indian captain, what can he do now? The first round has ended 1-1. Sunil Chhetri scored in the 90 minutes. Can he score again? Sunil Chhetri. There he goes. And just placed him. The goalkeeper anticipated, but Chhetri's placement was perfect. There it is. With side foot angled into the corner of the net, the best goalkeepers can't reach there. Perfect placement by Chhetri. Clever thinking. In the match, he had sent the goalkeeper the other way. This time he taken this way. Now, it is number 11, that is Osmaila Baba, who would come on as a substitute. He is taking the second penalty kick for Osmaila Baba, taking the second penalty kick from the Cotton Sport Football Club, Garua. Osmaila Baba, Cameroon team looking on. Very well placed in. He dodges Subroto Park. Beautifully placed in by Osmaila Baba. Cool as a cucumber. Just a few steps. He saw Subroto Pal go and just rolled it into the net. Denzel Franco. Is it him now? That was rolled into the net. So 2-2 after 2 penalties. Nothing is separating these two teams. Now India with their third penalty kick. And it just goes in. Denzel Franco. Many a slip between cup and lip. See this penalty again. Little element of luck. Well placed. It could have struck the post and come out. It went in. Is Dame Fortune going India's way? 3-2. But Cameroon have their third penalty kick. Number 12, the captain, skipper, Paul Bebe Kingui, played in the 2008 Beijing Olympics. An experienced man. What can he do? Some intimidation tactics by Subroto Pal, psychological game, stepping out, delaying it. The pressure mounts on the penalty taker. Very narrow run up. No, well, he's stepping back. Is this going to be a placement or power? Into the net. Subroto Pal left helpless. So very little to separate the two teams. It's 3-3. Very calmly taken, like Sunil Chhetri, into the corner of the net. Goalkeeper went the wrong way. Neither goalkeeper being able to perform any heroics so far. 3-3. And very well placed. Mehtab Hussain. Mehtab Hussain, senior professional, 27-year-old, went for trials in Scotland this season. Very calmly places the ball into the net. 4-3 India lead. All four converted so far. 4-3 the lead in the penalty shootout. Cameroon go for their fourth penalty kick. And it's into the roof of the net. It's the number 17, that is Mapondo. He's got a lot of power in his shots, Mapondo. He scored the second goal, which nearly put Cameroon in the lead. Now this is a very important, the fifth penalty kick for both teams. It's extremely important because you miss now and that's the end. Clifford Miranda for India. Clifford Miranda. And he scores. Clifford Miranda scores the fifth penalty for India. Calmly places it. Now pressure on Cameroon because they have to play catch-up. They have to take this last penalty kick, otherwise the Nehru Cup remains in India. And it's missed! India has won the Nehru Cup. An element of luck. And that's it. Thierry Macon, who scored a brilliant first goal. Perfectly placed shot. Well, that's what it is. Denzel Franco's shot hit the post and went into the net. Thierry Macon beat Subroto Paul, but his shot did go into the net. The crowd have invaded the field. It is moments of joy. It is a historic day for Indian football as they have Nehru Cup, beating a country 108 positions ahead of them in FIFA rankings. And this is a historic day for Wim Koverman's team. India fought gallantly 2-1 down and then won the penalty shootout 5-4 as misfortune for Cameroon's Thierry Macon. His shot struck the post and didn't go in. The players being escorted as the crowd, the police have to come into action to